Whoa. Hey, we are back. As I told you in the last video, today we're gonna do a little showcase of the new GoPro12. We're gonna go biking and maybe swimming after. So this is how the camera looks like your everyday use. It's 5K 60 FPS. Today is a very beautiful day. It's sunny and it's warm outside. Yeah, it's very sunny. Looks nice. So this is a park here in Romania. This is how the camera looks. I hope it looks good because we don't want to refund this. And now we are going to a place where we can rent a bike and cycle around this park and then maybe go swimming. We're almost there. By the way guys, keep watching because you're gonna see some beautiful horses in like 5 minutes, okay? So keep watching. This is the bike that we're gonna rent. Which way? Go that way and then to the park. Okay. Facem accident. Au! Ah. E greu cu mâna stângă. Și închei gura. Gonna break her neck. Hey, hey. I mean, it looks good on this small screen, but let's see how it looks on the bigger screen on YouTube. It's sunny outside. It's warm. It's not hot. She's going. Oh.
Hello.
Yeah, this looks good. Very nice. So beautiful outside. Beautiful clouds. We should try to do we should try to do this thing on the right. We should try this one, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it because I only have one hand on the bike. I'm not doing this one with one hand. No, 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 no. I'm not stupid. Come again. Wanna try this? Okay. A dog? Yeah. Not okay. Careful, Adu. I don't wanna break anything. Let's go left. Left. Let's go left. No, right, left, left. Now, right. Okay. Oh, my ass. I die. Hey, go. We came back from biking and we're getting ready to go to the pool. This kid is too. Oh. Whoa. Hello.
Whoa.
Okay. Yeah. We just left the bikes. Now we're going swimming. We have all the gear we need. You too?
Of course.
Of course. We're gonna be starving, so we're eating this is chicken and this is rice, okay, and potatoes and mushrooms. go. This was it. I hope you like the camera, and bye. Like, see ya. See ya.